Well, Mike, this was a wonderful season we had last year. We had two wonderful cup runs, very good performance in the league, winning promotion. I have the same squad, exactly the same 15 players who did so well for me last year, and I've increased this by 2. So there is this extra competition and this extra depth for the first team pool, which has been increased from 15 to 17. Yes, I have every confidence, Mike.
The two new boys, Tommy van Sittart and Andy Proven from Chester.
Yes, the two boys, which Tommy is no stranger to Wrexham. I did take him on loan from Crystal Palace at the end of last season, the last 2 months. Tommy did a wonderful job for me, and I thought it would be a good acquisition to the club, and fortunately I was able to negotiate a transfer for Tommy. Andy, of course, everyone knows him at Wrexham already, being a Chester player last season, and he did very well for Chester, and I'm hoping he'll do very well for Wrexham.
What do you think is going to be the big difference between the 4th and 3rd division?
Well, this is again, Mike, an unknown quantity. It's that slight bit faster, but I think that there is a higher standard, much better sides. They've got the Villas, Prestons, Fulhams, all very attractive teams, renowned throughout the football world. And this will be wonderful to play against such good teams.
Well, now Wrexham have never been in the 2nd division. Do you think it's asking a bit much for this team to take you straight up?
Well, this concerns ambition, doesn't it, Mike? And ambitious, Wrexham are ambitious. Of course, this is our target. Whether we'll achieve it, only time will tell. But this is basically our aim for 2nd division football, and we'll be trying very hard for it.
Well, in addition to promotion, you've got the FA Cup, the Football League Cup, and of course the Welsh Cup. Now, of all these, which would you most like to see Wrexham succeed in?
Well, last season we did very well in the Football League Cup, very well in the FA Cup, but the Welsh Cup we didn't do nearly as well. This season, I would like very much so to win the Welsh Cup. As I say, we've done very well in the FA Cup and Football League Cup, but the Welsh Cup is our aim, because this has the added incentive of going into Europe, which would be a wonderful thing for Wrexham.